like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis, so back again with another reaction video. So today once again we are gonna react to a Khasi song straight out of Meghalaya called HANGNE, and the artists are Genevieve Nongrum and Shadap. We have already reacted to one of their song called Ka Rukom, and that was also amazing. And the very good thing about this music video is that we have the English subtitle. So without further ado, let's just dig in and dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what the artists have for us on the table. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. You know, it truly means a lot. So let's just jump straight into the music video. And also guys, Kublai Shibun for coming and watching this reaction. A Buzz Media, George Shadap original. HANGNE. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, high school vibes, huh? High school. I think high school love story, I guess.
Dengai tuhok.
Oh, let me turn on.
Ya ke kebangala puri nadu kipor Bobby wan mi ha jingim jonga ngakrem pui perkan bagi snigin lingkot habadan bat pi kimi kis ngau kumbagi nom good krema pi.
So deep in love. Hey, pretty. The boy is also handsome, by the way. Like an angel in my dream, you came to illuminate. Hey. Very romantic. Oh, dreaming.
Bersang Mentlep berkaya pi Henry habangna Kabrib kikman ni tangka dojong pi.
Wow, beautiful hair. Nice one. This reminds me of my, high school days, man. Wow, amazing lightings. I choose to wait for you. That's sad.
Pin ngeo lada ngapin pau happy banga kwa pin dang ya ka jingi jonga ya
Kentano ya ka Shwa bangan ay
Purple rose.
Happy ji ban aya phi haji pos new jona kum angel phi wan thaba no wa ka jaka jona kan long san jo phi
batin bani ya hi adu bukur kisi
Okay, naughty. Hey, that was amazing. I really enjoyed this one. You know, it made me a little bit nostalgic. And yeah, man, shout out to the whole gang out there. You know, the acting that they have done was amazing, and also, you know, the costumes, the cinematography, the lighting set was OP, man. And of course, George Shadap and Genevieve Nongrum has killed it. Hey, shout out to you guys, man. You guys are amazing. Keep coming more with, you know, music like this. The quality was also amazing. And yeah, shout out to all the artists, the whole team, I mean, like, who has been involved in making this project a successful one. And also a huge shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. You guys are amazing. And also go and watch the original music video if you haven't already. The link is in the description. And yeah, man, once again, Northeast for life. Here we go.